So now, this is bank A. You can come to mixers and drums, or you press your page button. When you press page button, you can come to filter. These are what you see in filter, or you come to, you can exit page, go to host and pitch. You can select this e piano, you can on it, you can bring it and bring another one call out already. Press the mute button to go back. This is the level 127. You can change it. Then you can on and off. You can off it. You can on this piano 1D main 7 and edit, so you can know the level of it. This is the octave, this is the transpose, this is the tune. But though the transpose is under global, when you see key transpose, you see +4, or you change it to 0, so you can start do your transpose from there. Then you can either go to combination of sounds, go to banks. Like mine, I have bank A, bank A, bank B, bank C, bank D. So now I can go to bank D and edit any voice over there. But it is better for you to go to combi, which is combination button has been on. Then you can come to this dotted line. You can open this dotted line. It will bring the voices under it. You can come to bass and splits. Then you can see different sounds. Hereby, I used to use Happy Split. I love Happy Split a lot because it has up to like 8 sounds in it. Or you use bass and EP. It's just 2 sounds anyway. So Happy Split has more than 4. So now inside it you have the mixers for the sounds. You can come to program. So you can press this .AO56. It will bring different voice under it. Go to F pattern. Then you can see different voice. I put Gideon Medited because I'm the one that do that one. So always remember that even under keyboard, press the dot button. It's going to bring the categories of keyboards for you. So that's it. Then you can come to strings and parts. Then you see different strings and parts you can use as well. Then if you now want to sectionalize your sound, so if you now want to sectionalize your keys, you can come to page, come to zone delay. Then you want to categorize your sound, come to this C4. Then you press hold this low button. When you press it down, or you press enter button down, then you press the low button C1. When you press, it's going to write C1 here. Then you can pick your range. Maybe I'm going to C3 now. You can press C3. This C3 here. So if you press C3, it's going to go to this C4 here. This C3 here, but this C1. But you have to press enter so that you pick your selection. Then come to the upper or top key. This is the top key. Instead of G9, press enter down. Then come to the C4. If you press it, it's going to show C4. So that's for Happy Split. It's the best because it has up to like 4 or 5 sounds that you can play together. Then you can do that for the C4 that you see here. This bottom key, you can change it by pressing enter down. Then you now press your key range. Maybe it's C4 or C2. Now this one is now C3. You see now, I can press C4. It will change to C4 now. I can press C2 to change to C2. Okay. So now, for the top key, I can go to, instead of G9, press enter down and put here C4 there. So you now have key range of C2 to C4. So that's how you can do that of your key splitting. Then that one will be obvious in your keyboard settings, because this called keyboard, you can put in more than 16 sounds. So this is called Chrome keyboard. This is called Chrome keyboard. Called Chrome. So global settings, that's where your transpose button is. So anything aside that, you just RPPR for the sounds, so and the like that you needed. You can pick your equalizer just on and off. But the best thing I want you to note is just that when you press your combi button, then there's program 9 to 16. You see it has been moved, and you can also press the play so that you can mute it. You can unmute it again. You can use only one sound. These strings alone can be playing. That is the solo line. So you can remove it again. That's when you press the solo line. But when you press the play line, it's going to mute it. Just press the mute again. It's going to press play. So then for the mixer too, you can press on this and increase the volume of your strings or pad. So depend on how you want to set it. But to me, I love this organ voice. Bank A, I put it on bank D. So I open it to bank D. Then, okay, bank F. So I will now go to Gideon Immediated, okay it. Then I can easily bring it on page. Then post and filters. Then I can see you have E organ, piano, percussion, jazz too. So then that one is sweet for me. And even organ percussion one, that is sweet for me. Thank you very much. This Gideon tutorial on how to set your Korg keyboard. God bless us.